Maui moment. This is our last day on Maui, and we're taking you on a beach walk with us. It's a 3-mile walk all the way up to Polo Beach. It's a wonderful, beautiful sight, and I think you'll enjoy the walk. See you soon. Now we've come around the corner, and there's the Grand Wailea. And next to the Grand Wailea is the Four Seasons, and then Wailea Point. The calm Maui day, the ocean, it's just beautiful. We've got kayakers out there. Turtle Town is close. They're probably looking to see if they can see turtles, and there could still be a few whales left. Beautiful time of morning. And you can see what a wonderful beach walk this is. There's the beautiful beach walk we just went on. They're out there learning to paddle on the surfboard. We're close to Turtle Town here. airplane. When I come back, having written Cosmic Cow Pie, been on the Oprah show, this is where I'm staying.